We're present here at WDS to show a number of our capabilities to support the Saudi national authorities and the defense industry here. First of all, we have a Cockerill IX, which is a very unique vehicle, capable of traveling at over 200 kilometers an hour, weighs less than 4 tons, and carries a 25mm weapon to provide very high firepower at long distances to intercept people coming across a border or other types of that mission. And we've been doing testing in France, which is running on the video behind me, where we've been firing on the move, stabilized at over 120 kilometers an hour, which I think is a record for a military vehicle in that type of movement, in that type of environment, firing against moving targets at over 2 kilometers and scoring extremely successful test results, working with the French Army and with their technical services from the land forces. The other product we're presenting today is the 25mm turret, the CPWS. This is a one-man 25mm system, which we think will be of interest to the RSLF going forward, as we believe there's a new program for a 4x4 vehicle, and this is the ideal type of weapon system for that type of vehicle. The other business we have here is still under the name of CMI Defense, LLC. This is our company already in Saudi Arabia, which is providing logistics, training, spares, upgrades, and general support of all the systems we have already delivered to Saudi Arabia, and we count nearly 1,000 turret and weapon systems coming into service in the different forces of the kingdom, both for the National Guard and for the Ministry of Defence and for the Royal Guard. So we've been very active here, and obviously we're building our presence here to be able to support locally those systems in the future, including the manufacturing of spares, electronic components, and other things needed to sustain the fleet that is here. Well, we're already transferring technologies for the existing systems so that they can be self-supporting here through our LLC company. And we are working with local industrial partners to bring across our technology, both to build new systems and to support the existing fleets. The National Guard has, I think, 20,000 vehicles in service with over 5,000 different weapon systems. And we're part of a consortium bidding to do the support for those platforms going forward. Because new systems are useful, but sustaining your existing fleet is also very important. So we're looking to localize all those activities. LLC company is already 75% Saudi employees, and we're going to grow that going forward. With obviously the 2030 plan as our objective to increase the Saudi content to support the existing platforms. And of course, for any future things we might do here, we're already looking how we can do this locally with local supply chain. It's a very good experience to be here.